Starting around 13 January 2024, exceptionally smooth love elixir by and large is exchanging at $0.0031 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.28% in very most recent 1 hour in a really significant manner. SLP generally has a very all-out market cap of $128,410,137, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $15,776,051, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. This in every practical sense makes most certainly smooth love elixir, SLP, most certainly positioning at 304 in the digital currency market, which truly is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the especially smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2024, what will truly smooth love mixture especially be really worth in 2024, which generally is genuinely critical. Is extremely smooth love mixture a truly wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2024, which basically is genuinely critical? Will SLP cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled by and large high in an unobtrusive manner? These really are our truly smooth love mixture cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, which sort of is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2024, as per the truly smooth love elixir gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the SLP cost fundamentally is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.0040. The normal for the most part least value worth of genuinely smooth love mixture toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to be $0.0038 in a very large manner. Besides, SLP can sort of arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.0048, which truly is genuinely huge. SLP value gauge January 2024. With respect to January 2024, especially smooth love elixir especially is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.0027, which essentially is very critical. The SLP cost could in every practical sense arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $0.0031, with the by and large normal cost around $0.0030, which really is very critical. SLP value conjecture February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of most certainly smooth love elixir by and large is gauged to explicitly be at around a truly least worth of $0.0029, showing how this basically makes truly smooth love mixture, SLP, by and large positioning at 304 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. The truly smooth love elixir value worth can in a real sense arrive at a very limit of $0.0032, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.0031 in United States dollars, as opposed to prevalent thinking. SLP value figure Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of especially smooth love mixture basically is determined to in a real sense be at around a sort of least worth of $0.0030, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. The smooth love mixture value worth can truly arrive at in every way that really matters, limit of $0.0034, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.0031 in United States dollars, showing how generally is somewhat smooth love elixir a by and large wise speculation are exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024, or so they generally thought. Smooth love elixir value expectation April 2024. Smooth love mixture cost really is supposed to fundamentally reach between $0.0031 to $0.0035 in April 2024, while the in every practical sense normal cost of SLP for the April in every way that really matters stays around $0.0032 SLP value figure mid-2024. Concerning mid-2024, smooth love mixture generally is supposed to basically arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.0032. The SLP cost could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.0037, with the very normal cost around $0.0033, which fundamentally is very critical. SLP value figure June 2024. The exceptionally smooth love elixir gauge for June 2024 expects that the SLP may especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.0038, with a kind of least cost of around $0.0033, incredibly. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value SLP can fundamentally stretch around $0.0034 for June, which essentially is very critical. Smooth love mixture value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of pretty smooth love elixir sort of is supposed to generally be at around an especially least of $0.0034, or so they sort of thought. Smooth love elixir cost can especially arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.0040, with the truly normal cost of $0.0036 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Smooth love elixir value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the in every way that really matters, greatest cost for especially smooth love mixture could generally stretch around $0.0041, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in August 2024 truly is $0.0035 with an in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.0036 in a significant way. Smooth love mixture value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the greatest cost for commonly smooth love elixir could essentially stretch around $0.0043, which especially is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in September 2024 explicitly is $0.0036 with an in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.0037 in a kind of enormous manner. Smooth love mixture value expectation October 2024. Genuinely smooth love elixir cost basically is supposed to generally reach between $0.0037 to $0.0045 in October 2024. While the typical cost of SLP for the October certainly remains around $0.0038, genuinely smooth love elixir SLP value expectation November 2024. The cost for sort of smooth love elixir in November 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.0037 and $0.0046 in a significant manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.0039, or so they for the most part thought. Smooth love mixture value estimate December 2024. The sort of normal cost of smooth love elixir SLP could for the most part go to $0.0040 toward the finish of December 2024 in a significant manner. SLP could by and large be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0.0048, with the kind of least expected cost of $0.0038, which especially is very critical. Smooth love mixture past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially has been in every way that really matters, diminished by 6.22% in its kind of current worth, or so they explicitly thought. Assuming we really look at the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap in a